Are you planning on buying a new construction home, but you're not sure what upgrades or finishes to go with? And maybe your budget is a little bit tight. Hi, my name is Todd Porter, also known as Utah Todd. I'm one of the founders of Synergy United Real Estate Group, the Sure Group. We are brokered by eXp Realty. As you're deciding what upgrades or finishes you want, it's important to know that some upgrades are worth the money and others maybe not so much. Some can actually be eliminated or delayed. Also remember, not all builders are the same when it comes to upgrades and the associated standard package. Here are 5 upgrades to pay particular attention to if you are feeling financially squeezed as you are acquiring a new construction home. 1, decorative lighting. Because the builder grade lighting is often not the latest and greatest, it can be very tempting to upgrade those fixtures. If your budget is tight, don't do it. Instead, have the builder install the standard fixtures that come with the home. Once you move in, you can find the fixtures you like and swap them out with relative ease.
Cabinet hardware. When it comes to hardware, most builders have limited options and the upgrade options are still pretty basic. Since this upgrade does not require a lot of effort, have the builder install the standard pulls and knobs and change them once you've settled into your new home.
Number 3, paint. When it comes to paint, most builders will have limited color options and use flat paint that quickly shows scuff marks and fingerprints. Because buyers may want their room a different color, they can easily get sucked into paying for the color upgrades as well as the significant increase in expense for the builder to provide 2-tone or 3-tone paint. Even if you pay for the upgrade, depending on the builder, the paint quality can still be lacking and you will not be able to choose who does the work. Once you've closed on the home, you will usually find it much less expensive to hire a contractor or do it yourself with the quality paint and color that suits your needs and budget. We have incredible contractors that we can refer you to. Just ask us and we'd be more than happy to line you up.
4, backsplash. As tempting as it will be to have the builder add a backsplash, waiting will save you money. You can do it yourself or hire a handyman to do it for you once you've moved in. It will also give you time to shop around for the best prices at various tile shops and big box stores.
Number 5, crown molding and trim. Let's face it, crown molding and trim on cabinets, walls, doors, and windows adds beauty and character to a home while also giving it a finished look. It's also a feature many buyers appreciate when purchasing a new home. However, it can be a pricey upgrade that does not add to the overall value and it's relatively easy to install later. So resist the urge if you're looking to save some money.
For more information or if you have any questions, give us a call. My name is Chris Porter, also known as the Chris P. Realtor. I am a proud member of the Synergy United Real Estate Group and we're brokered by eXp Realty. As always, make today an amazing day. And remember, real estate isn't just an agent's business, it's everyone's business.